Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Please have a seat. Hi, ma'am. I want to join a computer course this summer. Do you have any offer? Yes, we have a summer vacation offer going on. Do you have any offers on basic, advanced Excel, and Teleprime? Yes, of course.
Okay, so what is the fees of this course?
The regular fees for MS Office, Advanced Excel, Tally Prime plus GST is 16,000 rupees. But under summer vacation offer, you can get this in just 8,000 rupees.
Really? That's 50% off.
Yes, full practical training, notes and certificates are included.
Okay, so how long is the course?
It's a short-term design specially for a summer vacation.
Oh, that's a great deal, ma'am. When should we register?
As soon as possible. It's a limited time offer and this is for only first 10 students.
Okay, ma'am. We would like to enroll.
Excellent choice. So let's proceed with your admission. इस summer opportunity को miss मत करो and half price में अपने skills को upgrade करो. So enroll soon and see you at Dynamic Computer Education.